So I've decided to call this squirrel Tricky Ricky. And if you notice, he's got a tiny little bit of brown right there on his tail, and he's on his back he's got a couple of little, not bald spots, but thinning spots, I guess. So I'm going to try to keep able to identify Tricky Ricky, because there's 2 black squirrels that come around. So he's got a tiny bit of brown there, so that's Tricky Ricky. Look at his fat bum. Well, these squirrels are going to get pretty fat hanging out here with the bird feeder. So they might need a wheelbarrow to get them to their nests, or a cherry picker. Ricky! Tricky Ricky! Tricky!